How to cut pineapple? So to cut pineapple, we'll first need a very sharp knife, and make sure your chopping board is absolutely secured, because you may just cut your hand if the chopping board moves. So trim off the head and this. Okay. Now if the pineapple is too long, what we can do is cut this into half. Okay, so now we'll have to slice this. It's very easy. Just follow the pineapple's shape like this and just peel this. First we'll get rid of the thick skin, and then we'll get rid of the eyes. It's very easy. Just follow your pineapple like this. Okay, so now after we've cut the thick skin, now we'll get rid of the eyes. You see this? The pineapple is absolutely clean. Okay, after you've done this, just hold the pineapple and cut this into roundels. Just keep this on top of each other like this. Use an apple corer and core the center off. That's it. You have nice good looking pineapple rings. You can either serve it like this or cut this into half. Put this on a platter. You can serve this on a fruit platter. At the same time, you can also make a salad with cut pineapple rings.